Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 7 quick hair ideas for work. This is how I normally wrap my hair at night to make it easy for me to comb. Next is to get a band. If you're doing it along with me, just push it gently. We are tipping it to the side, just tip it gently, and if it's too loose, just twirl it around and get some bobby pin and just open it and secure the band into the hair. And we are going to be doing the same to the other side as well. Next is to get some edge control. We are going to be using it to slick the front to the back. We are not using gel today because we are doing 7 hairstyle. Just make sure the front is well laid down, and don't forget about the back of the head as well. Just make sure all of them is well laid down. And I'm using a take comb because the hair is quite short. Use your take comb to brush it in. I'm sectioning the hair to make it easy for us to put our clip-in extension. Just tuck that away, get your clip-in extension and just lay it on the line. This clip-in extension is kinky, especially when your hair is natural and when your hair is short. This works like magic. I'm just going to be putting the other one on the side, and now just watch. I'm folding the hair. Just fold the hair, not too down. I'm folding the kinky extension on the hair and secure it with a pin. So fold and secure it with a pin. Just push the pin down, and you can see I'm kind of putting it to hook the band so it's not going anywhere. I'm just keep on wrapping it, so when I get to this front, I'm going to stop and then section the hair and pull the next line. Section the hair and pull the clip-in extension around the hair. It's really easy to use, just put it around. I'm going to be starting from the front again. Just take the other hair, get your pin and push it down, and it's going to kind of hook with the extension. The end of the hair, I just twisted it and put it under the hair that we've done, and twist the front one as well. Put the last clip-in extension, just keep on twirling it. And you can see I've put my pin on my sleeve to make it easy for me to reach. You can do the same because you're going to walk, you don't want to be late. Just this is an easy hairstyle for short natural hair. Just twist it around, make sure everywhere is covered. This hairstyle will be good for Monday. Going back to work, show them that you are the boss and you are ready to work. Get some spray bottle, just water, nothing special. I'm just combing the hair to make it easy for us to manipulate. I'm going to be doing a ponytail. As you can see, the hair is quite short, it's not long enough for one ponytail. This is what I call struggling ponytail. Just comb it. Recently I cut my hair. I've been growing my hair using some oil to stimulate my hair. Hopefully I can show you what I've been doing. So I'm going to be doing the back ponytail as well. 2 ponytail. When your hair is short too, if your hair is long, power to you. I'm using some gel to just kind of rub it. This is edge control. If you have time, you can add gel to it to just make it to kind of last longer. And after that, just get some kind of, this is kind of an old rag, but it has to be a stretchy one. Put it around, use your pin. I'm using 2 pins to make sure it's secure, but I'm not leaving this for a long time, but I'm just showing. This is a demonstration just for you. We are going to be using our kinking. I put a band in the middle and wrap it around the first ponytail. Just flip it to the back. Make sure it's well covered, and I'm going to be flipping the front to the back as well. This is our second hairstyle of the day. I'm going to be using a pin to kind of pin the side. So I'm just checking that everything is well nice. Pin the two sides, and also don't forget to pin the back because of the second ponytail. Grab some of the hair from the bottom and just pin it on it. This is a 2-in-1 hairstyle. You can wear it like this and you can wear it like this as well. And just put your accessory, kind of, this is more like me. Make sure the ponytail is not showing. Just make sure everything, thank God for pin, just fix it. Get your band, just put it around it, and we are going to be flipping it inside. When you're happy with the position, just pin it as I'm doing now. I'm getting my pin, just pin it in. I'm going to be using quite a few pins. I'm just pinning it around. Make sure that it does not move. This is going to be our number 4 hairstyle, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Everything I use in this video, I will try and put the link in the description below. I'm still using the same kinky. I'm just measuring to see where it dropped on my face, and if it's too short, just kind of pull it out. And then I'm going to be taking my band to put around exactly the length, and I'm going to be putting this on top of my head and using the band to wrap around my mini ponytail. You can see I'm just cutting the front. Please don't do this. I think I got carried away. You do this after the hair is finished. I'm just twisting the hair, twist it, because with this style I like it to look a little bit messy. I don't want it to look too, sometimes when it's too perfect it looks a little bit too forced. So just twist it around and I'm putting my hand inside. You see what I'm doing? Just grab the end and get our pin and just pin it in place. If one is not enough, you can pin it with 2 pins. Make sure the back is well secured. Guys, if you want to learn about hair, what product, how to grow your hair, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Now that my hair is growing, so I would like you to grow your hair along with me. I think this is more of like a Friday kind of hair. You just want to go out after work. Comment down below, let me know which of these hairstyles you prefer. I'm going to be using this long extension. This is what I always use, so it's no waste of money buying it. Wrap it around the hair. What I did, I just split one of the pack into 2. I'm just going to twist it, but this is a twist with a twist, okay? So twist it and just take it around the hair. But I just want you to watch what I'm doing, not just the regular one that just go. No, this is kind of, it has a twist to it as well. I'm going to be taking another one to just add to it. Remember, all this hair is split into 2. total, I've used 3 extensions. The ones in the front was split into 2, so everything I'm using is 3 packets of extension. The end of the hair, you can see I'm just pushing it inside. Make sure you push it and then pin it. By doing that, it's not going to show. This hairstyle actually is fabulous. Just make sure, put it in place, just arrange it, and you can put any accessory of your choice. Next is the last hairstyle. I'm telling you, this hairstyle actually took 5 minutes to make because I was running to pick my kids from school. This was just something I just whipped together, ran it on my head. Luckily the camera was still rolling. I say maybe one of this mommy might find this useful. Just pin it in place. I'm just going to use my hand to just kind of move it because I don't just want like the normal one people just do, just wrap it, you can tell it's a plait. But with this one, you cannot actually tell, you think it's the hair. Guys, if you want more hairstyle inspiration, check my Instagram for more video. I'm just going to keep on pinning this in place. Just make sure it's all way talking and stay in front of the mirror while doing this as well. Just use your hand, see what I'm doing. I'm just fluffing it out. Now I can feel myself, guys. If you want to learn more hairstyle, this video up here, I recommend it for you. See you next time. We love you all. Bye bye.